Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to save a video for later on the Rednote tab. So if you're browsing through this Rednote post and you want to save the video for later on, then let me show you how to do this. So here I've got a video which I want to watch later on. So to do this, I'll go ahead and tap on the star icon here, just at the right hand side. So if you check every video, you will see a star. So if you tap on it, go ahead and tap on that star, and that will add it to your collection. Now to see this video later on, you can go back to your Rednote app homepage. Then at the bottom right, go ahead and tap on Me. And from here, find Collects. And here, this will show you all the videos that you have saved for later on. So as you can see, I've saved 2 videos, which I want to watch later on. Tapping on it will play the video. And there you go, guys. That is how to save the video for later on the Rednote app. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.